Powerpuff doll. Her name is Blossom. And there's like two more dolls. The other one has very beautiful blonde hair with two pink tails. That her name is Bubbles. And there's another one with short green and black hair. That her name is Buttercup. I really like her because I'm brushing her hair. And I got him last year. I just got him like in 2020. Like in 2020. My dad got me this. Whoa, my dad's not here. Okay, so I have the retro grave digger. A grave digger that broke its back wheel. A grave digger. And I also have, so these are the grave diggers. These are the grave diggers. I also have Baja Buster. Yeah, you just only see one episode. Gunster Lego Fantastic. Okay, so and this one you might think this is a rug. You may think this is Radu, but this is Radu butter. That's also cheap. And this is the old Radu, well, this is the new Radu. This kind of also cheap because that's the smaller. This is how my doll Blossom turned out. I put like a very pretty light blue ponytail on, and I think she looks very beautiful. I like her orange hair, very soft ponytail. I love it. And this very beautiful baby little dress. And if you have seen the Powerpuff show, comment down below. I have a magic trick. Yeah, but it's kind of ridiculous. I have this retro grave digger and also grave digger legend. I have so many grave diggers. Well, I think I have one. Comment down in the description below what is your favorite monster truck did you see in this video? Was it Skeleton Crew, V8 Bomber, or was this number one, or other monster trucks you've seen in this video? Or comment down in the below if you like grave digger just like me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, post that smash button, and see me in all of my videos and Sophia's videos too.